us drifting with you in a stream of cold white, no blue, giving up our bodies to the floor. There were wreaths and snow-white flowers, hear them speak of a drunken hour when we knew not what we ought to know. And cover my head, cover your soul, lover will never grow old, buried in youth, held in time's stronghold. Can we go higher, higher now? Can we go higher, higher now? Can we go high above the love we have found? Can we go higher, higher now? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't remember sleeping like this, so dark and our hearts so weightless. Even so, our tongues will turn to stone. The moon scratches to catch a glimpse as young corpses caught its interest. See our bodies glisten in the glow.